na si Mika de la Cruz sa Instagram account niya. I love my sister because she is all the things I'm not, and she brings out the things I am that she isn't. I bring out the best in her, and she brings out the best in me. It is one of the few lifelong relationships that completes who I am. Happy birthday! Mensahe ni Angelica sa kanyang post. Nito lamang December 9, kalakip ang larawan nila ng kapatid na si Mika.